Hi everybody, this is Nora, and this video is going to be a tutorial requested by Lena. Hi Lena. Yes, so she saw my post of these nails on Instagram and she wondered if I had made a video about them, and I had not, but I don't mind recreating the design. I'm going to do it on my thumb here on my left hand. It's a very simple mani, very simple. It's just a matter of having either the same or very similar materials to what I have here, and I will show those to you so that you may look around. I will have the links down in the description bar below if you're interested in purchasing them. So they're from a few different vendors. So the key ingredient, the base that I use for this mani is the Aimeili. My new color that I just swatched is 105. That pretty periwinkle lilac is what I like to call it. I know it might be coming as a blue on camera, but it's really, yeah, it has kind of some lilac undertones. So there it is, 105. And then I went over it with this holographic laser foil that I've had for a long time now, over a year, almost a year. This is from Beauty Big Bang, so I did find the direct link. I will have it linked down in the description bar below, and I have a 10% discount for Beauty Big Bang, so I will have that below as well. So as you see, it has somewhat of a paisley design, but they're huge, so you can't barely tell that they're paisleys once they go on my nails. But you see this right here, I mean, when you see it on my nails, they kind of remind me of somewhat of a zebra print by the time they go down. And yeah, and then on top of that, I ended up putting, I don't know why I felt like keep embellishing this, some holographic glitter here that I've had. This was a sample that Lauren from Wildflowers sent me a long time ago, and the name of it is Palace. It's a gorgeous glitter mix. And I did find it. She still has it available in her store. If you like to purchase this, I will have it linked down below as well. It's a gorgeous glitter. Again, I was looking through some of the things that I've had for quite a while and not used, so I pulled them out, and yeah, that's why I pulled these things out to play with. And of course, you're going to need some foil glue. And I have now applied, it looks like it's by now it's dried. I use my Beauty Big Bang latex as a base here for a temporary or an easy removal of this gel. So I will go ahead and start with the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here's my thumb all completed out of the lamp after I apply my gel top coat. Now I do use, when you see me use this gel top coat, this is a cheapy one that I've had for quite some years, and this is one that I'm willing to, I don't care if it contaminates with glitter sometimes. So when I have loose glitter on my nails, I go over this first, and then after I cure that, then I went ahead and finished it with my Aimeili gel top coat. So yeah. And so, and remember that, oh, I wanted to mention these foils, they do come in different designs and patterns in one package. I think you get like 16 sheets or 16 strips of these different designs in the same package. So it's a really good deal, and there's some really cool designs there. So yes, I do love those. They're very easy to work with, and you can come up with some awesome designs. As you can see, I mean, this is more about the effect here, not so much the design, because like I said, it's the image is so large you can't tell they're paisleys, right? But you get that holographic right behind. You see that rainbow right behind that glitter. I had to pile up that gorgeous glitter right on top. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.